Hey Nabil, you staying cool out there lately?
That's one way of putting it. My AC is always on, on full blast, so I think I'm alright.
Yeah, I completely understand. Well, having AC is a nice innovation. Maybe you could cut down on its usage at night, perhaps, away from home?
What's the point in that? I absolutely need my AC at this time of year, especially here in Arizona. Plus, what's the point in that? What's the harm in having that besides, my electric bill being through the roof?
Well, you might not expect it, but our air conditioners are actually a contributor to this increase in heat we've been experiencing lately.
But don't they make the air colder and not hotter?
Yes, maybe in our homes, but it's a much different story on the outside. Our ACs actually contribute to some of the fastest growing greenhouse gases that we know. They emit hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, which have larger global warming potentials than most other greenhouse gases.
Wait, you are meaning to tell me that we're to blame for this increase in heat lately?
Well, the evidence is so strong that many Earth scientists are in agreement about our habits and the impacts they're having. In a poll done in January of 2009, 82% of 3,000 Earth scientists said we were a major contributor. Not to mention that 97.4% of climatologists concur with this as well. But still, there are skeptics.
Yeah, well, if there are skeptics, then we can't completely know, can we?
Well, the important points are that climate change has already been detected and that this change correlates tightly with human-caused alterations of atmospheric composition. The world is warming, most glaciers are melting, and the global climate is changing in striking ways that seem to warrant human alarm and action. Unfortunately, public opinion remains deeply divided.
Well, facts don't lie. I'm hearing about glaciers melting, and boy, is it getting hotter every summer, it seems.
It does seem that way.
Yeah,